P2. Welcome back to your IP English time. I'm very happy to see you. Today we have a lesson with Teacher Val. Okay, are you ready? I am ready, so let's go. Okay, P2. First of all, let's check your homework. Prepare your workbook, a pencil, and an eraser. So your homework is on page 20, section 1. In our first task, we have to draw arms, right? And write arms here because we have 2 arms and we should use S in the end. Do you remember? Okay, let's look at the second picture. Wow, so here we can see legs, right? Then legs again. Then look, you can see face here, right? What is next? Legs and legs again. So P2, what is going to be here? How do you think? Here should be face. Yes, face. And what word should we write right here? Face. Good. We have only one face, right? So no need to use S at the end. Let's look at the pictures number 3. What can you see here? Yes, ears, right? Ears. And the next picture is legs. Ears, legs, ears, and what's next? Think, P2. What is going to be next? Legs. Yes, good job. And we have to write legs right here. Yes. Check please your answers, P2. And don't forget about S at the end of the word, right? Because we have 2 legs. Okay, and let's check our last pictures. Number 4. So here you can see arms, right? And ears. Good. Arms, ears, arms, and what's next? Right, ears. Okay. So here you had to write ears with S. Don't forget about it because we have 2 ears, right? Good. Please, P2, check your answers. I hope you have no mistakes. Good. Thank you for your homework, P2. So let's continue our unit number 3. Yes, this is my notes. Do you remember? Okay, it's our 27th lesson. So let's learn. Are you ready? Okay, P2, let's review our vocabulary. What can you see here? What is this? It's one arm, right? One arm. Okay. And here you can see 2 arms. Okay. Let's learn together. One arm, but 2 arms. don't forget to use S in the end. Okay? One arm, but two arms. Wow, what is this, P2? What is this? It's a new word. One hand, okay? One hand. But if we talk about two hands, it should be two hands with the S in the end. Do you remember? One hand, but two hands. Could you repeat, please? One hand, two hands. Okay, P2. Great. Let's continue. Wow, what is this? Do you know this word? One eye, right? Only one eye. But if we talk about two eyes, we have to use S in the end, right? One eye, but two eyes. Could you repeat? One eye, but two eyes. Okay? Easy, right? Let's continue. What is going to be next, P2? Do you remember this word? One ear, right? Only one ear. But if we talk about two ears, right? We have to use S in the end. So one ear, but two ears, right? Could you repeat, please? One ear, two ears. One ear, but two ears. Well done, P2. Great job. Okay. I will explain you one more example. Wow, what is this? One leg, only one leg. You can see here, right? But if we talk about two legs, because we have two legs, right? We should use S in the end of the word, okay? So one leg, but two legs. Could you repeat? One leg, but two legs. Okay? Excellent, P2. You are very good learners. Okay, P2. But for now, you can start your activity time. Okay? Let's play a small game. Look at the picture. Here you can see eyes, right? So you have to circle the correct answer. How many eyes do you see here? One or two? Let's do it together. Here we can see two eyes, right? So we have to circle answer B. Two eyes with S in the end of the word, right? Okay. Wow, what is this? Think, P2. What should we choose? Which answer is correct? A or B? How many legs do you see here? One leg or two legs? Right, P2, two legs. So don't forget to use S in the end because we have two legs. Yes? Okay, let's continue. Wow, a girl, but it's a face, right? A girl's face. So, what should we choose here? Can you help me? I don't know. Which answer is correct? A or B? One face or two faces? Here we can see one face. Yes. So A is a correct answer. One face. No need to use S in the end, right? Okay. And what is this? Do you remember our new word? Hand. Yes. How many hands do you see here? One hand or two hands? How do you think, P2? Right. Here we can see two hands, right? Two hands. So don't forget about S in the end, right? Because if we use one hand, it's only hand. But if two hands, it should be hands, okay? With the S in the end. Okay, P2. Thank you for this activity together. And now I want you to prepare your pencil and an eraser. And please open your class book on page 21, section 4. We are going to do our second game. Let's do together. Okay, I will explain you. Look at the picture. What do you see here, P2? It's a cat, right? It's a cat. And here you should circle the correct answer. How many legs do you see? How many legs does the cat have? We can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So many legs, many legs. That's why we should circle answer legs, right? And you can see there is S in the end. It means that there are many legs, okay? Look at the picture number 2. What should we circle here? Arm or arms? How many arms do you see here? 1 or let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arms. 6 arms. So here we should circle arms. Many, right? Not one arm. Here we can see many arms. So we should circle this answer. And don't forget about S, right? Okay, let's look at the picture number 3. How many legs can you see here? What answer should we circle? Legs or leg? How do you think, P2? Help me, please. Yes, we should circle leg. Because on this picture, we can see only one leg. No need to use S, right? Okay, and look at our last picture. So, what can you see here? Arm, right? How many arms do you see here? 1 arm or 2 arms? Let's choose together. Here we can see only 1 arm, right? So, P2, let's circle answer arm because the boy is raising only one arm, right? Okay, check your answers, P2. Easy, right? I hope that you got this idea and it's very easy for you because you are very, very clever kids. Thank you so much for doing this activity together, P2. But now it's your homework time. Please prepare your workbook and open page 21, section 1. I will explain you how to do your homework. So, look at the picture. Count how many parts of body can you see here? You have to circle the correct answer and write here how many parts of body can you find here. So, look at this boy. What should we circle here? Arm or arms? Arms, right? Because this boy has 2 arms. So circle answer right here, arms, right? And how many arms does this boy have? 1, 2. Yes, 2 arms. So write 2 arms here. Okay? So continue doing this exercise. So this is your homework, P2. And for today, your lesson is over. Thank you so much for watching the video and look for our next video. Okay, see you next time, P2. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.